Want to create a professional online survey without spending hours learning complicated software? Well, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to build surveys in Fillout step by step. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to create questions, customize your survey, and share it with respondents. Start by visiting the Fillout website and signing in to your account. After logging in, you'll arrive at your dashboard where all of your forms and surveys are managed. Click Create Form to begin. You can start with a blank project if you want full control, or select a survey template to speed up the process. Templates are especially useful for customer feedback, employee satisfaction, event evaluations, or market research. Now begin adding your survey questions. Fillout offers a variety of question types, including multiple choice, short answer, long answer, drop-down menus, rating scales, checkboxes, date fields, and more. Simply choose the question format that best matches the type of feedback you want to collect. Next, organize your survey into a clear and logical order. Add titles or section headers if needed, customize the design to match your style, and mark important questions as required. A clean layout makes your survey much easier to complete. Before publishing, use the preview mode and answer the survey yourself. Make sure every question appears correctly, test the navigation between sections, and confirm that the survey looks good on both desktop and mobile devices. When everything is ready, click the Share button to publish your survey. You can copy the survey link, embed it on a website, or share it through other available methods. Once people receive the link, they can immediately begin submitting their responses. And that's it. You've successfully built a survey in Fillout. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more simple technology tutorials, and thanks so much for watching.